Prepare to elevate your space with Cozyology. In this video, we'll show you the straightforward steps to install cordless Roman shades with an outside mount. Roman shades bring effortless style and light control to your home. The installation package includes the following parts: 1 cordless Roman shade, 2 mounting brackets for outside mounting, and a set of 4 screws with 4 wall anchors. For the installation, you'll need a metal tape measure, a pen, a drill, and a screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. Mark the holes. Lift the Roman shade to your preferred height, align it, and mark the screw positions with a pen. Next, drill the holes into the wall or window frame, making sure the holes are aligned properly. Step 2. Attach the brackets. Install the inner mounting brackets using the provided white screw sets. Then, tighten the screws to secure the brackets in the pre-drilled holes. For shades wider than 47 inches, position the center support bracket at the approximate center of the headrail. Step 3. Insert the headrail. Place the top front of the headrail into the front slot of the brackets, then press it into position to secure it. Now that everything is set, pull the shade down and back up to ensure it's working properly. Great! Your new Roman shade is ready to go.